All right, all right. Hey, I'm James. I am trying to get better about building in public with Recap. And so here is the latest thing I've been working on. So, what Recap is it's an AI news agent that takes all of the documents from a local government, in my case, Roswell, Georgia, and organizes them in a way that makes them accessible. And you can see here that I've got an organized list of a lot of the documents that are being created by the city council, which is great. And I've started to group them into meetings. So if you have a meeting that's already happened, you can see the agenda, both agenda documents, the public one and the full one, the minutes and the video kind of all grouped together. But I want to get a little bit more complicated with this and do things that allow me to understand what's really happening within these documents at scale to create a knowledge graph of the different people and organizations and businesses just kind of automatically right at your fingertips. So, with that in mind, I have been working on an agent that is able to do this. Right now, I call it using the terminal, and I'm working here on a table of contents because actually, what I'd like to be able to do is to grab a document and organize a table of contents for it so that I have some visibility into what's happening where within the doc. So I will run this prompt, which basically just says, hey, give me a table of contents for this document. And it will go and it will run in the background, and it is done. And then over here on the admin task page, I am able to see what is going on and see the results. So this is the table of contents for this document. It covers a formal start of the Historic Preservation Committee, and it seems like it was a short document. And let's pull up that document just to check what is going on there. And here is the document. Okay, so 2-page document, 1076 Canton, 47 Golding. Let's compare that. 1076 Canton, 47 Golding. All right, it worked. I guess the biggest thing I learned from this, building this, was just how easy it is to stand up an agent. It was a little bit complicated for me to figure out what the different pieces were going to be and how to get them to talk to each other in an effective way. But I was able to find, open source examples online and copy them. And so that is how I stood this up. Next week, hopefully, I will start to get this out of just kind of janky output mode and into putting things actually into my app so that I can have these things run in the background and organize the documents in the background. So stay tuned. Ciao.